Welcome back, everybody. I'm Ryan from Bad Tuber Cooking, and today we're making avocado popsicles. What you'll need for this recipe is 2 avocados, 1/4 cup sweetener, 2 tablespoons lime juice, and 1.5 cups coconut milk. Once you have all your ingredients together, you're going to want to put them all into a blender and blend it until it's really smooth. Alright, let's put our caps on and hope I didn't overfill them. So we'll put this in the freezer for a couple hours until they get nice and hard, and we'll see where we're at.